Hit the like button, guys. We're going to make some money today in crypto, guys. Do some live tradings. Hit that like button. Hit the like button. We got to get to 10,000 likes. Right now, we're tracking Aptos, APT, USDT.P. We're in futures here, and we're going to see what's going on here. So right now, we have a earlier buy signal. This is the bounce here, guys. We're going to see if we can double top this 1 minute up here real quick. Five minutes overbought. 3 minute is starting its way down to move back up, which would be nice. All in all, 15 minute looks good here. We have a little bit of room here to work on the 15 minute. Let's go ahead and set up our lines in here. Now we're going to take a closer look at these trades here today. Let's take a look at what we see on the overall. Hope you guys didn't have your money in silver. Hope you guys didn't have your money in SVB. If you did, apologize, guys, but 250,000 of your $1 million is insured. And if you made it to $1 million, I'm sure you could do $250,000 to $1 million afterwards. What platform do we trade on? We use MEXC, guys. I'm going to do some examples here on MEXC. We're going to be trading on MEXC today, guys. Very simple, man. Hit the like button. Now, remember, guys, we're going to be very patient today. We're not going to do too much craziness. We're just going to take our time on these trades here. Very simple trades, simple things. Now, this is TradingView right here, guys. Set up your TradingView, guys. Get yourself squared away. Let's find some trades today, guys. We're just going to do some trading. Now, let's take a look here on the overall. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like buttons. Let's get in there. Encourage the viewers to hit the like. Dude, we need some 1,000 likes here, man. We got to dig in here, guys. Got to dig in here if you want to make money, man. Let's go. All right, dig in, guys. We're going to take a look here. Waiting for AP to retouch this 200 moving average here on the 15. The 200 moving average is really tough to break through. It does battle there, but we do have some nice little volume moves right here, so we should be all right, man. We are waiting for this green moon here, guys. We are waiting for the green moon, guys. Hope your Saturday's doing well. Happy afternoon. How far do you see it going up? Now, guys, to take a look at that, guys, what's the first thing you should do if you want to see, like, how far? For me, personally, I don't look at the how fars. I kind of just look at the smash and grabs. So right now, currently, I could see it going up to 1044 in this area here, and then retracing 1045, and then resetting down, right? It always has its pushes, but overall, if we took a look here, let's take a look at the overall. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. All right, so currently right now we have a 4 hour moon, right? 4 hour moon normally gives us about a 5% move. Here's our 4 hour moon. We had a nice little jump here. It did reset. Here's your 4 hour moon. It finally reset and now it's making its move. So, I mean, a expected move would be literally, let's see. Yeah, I mean, I would say that it's probably going to move up to that 1070 mark. I'm looking for a 1070 here. You know, we're looking pretty good. Nice little bounce. We still need some positive volume here. We haven't hit positive volume yet, and that's where we're going to explode. But our RSI here on the 4 hour is below our 30 line. So we have some decent room here to grow, guys. So we're not too worried. We're just staying focused here. We're just hanging in a trade. So far, we're building a little bit of profit here. I mean, we're up 20% on the trade. That's all I really wanted to do is get to my 20% mark, as you can see here. We're up 20%, 17%. Now I'm going to set my stop loss here. I'm going to move my stop loss up a little bit. That way I'm not losing money here. So let's get a stop loss here at $10 and 10.83 is our entry point right there, guys. So I'm gonna go a little bit lower than that. I'm gonna go 73 because I'm gonna take a I want 73, 380. I want 37 here. Let's go 37.8 here. I got a 5% stop loss here. If we go below 5%, we'll kick out there. Just a precaution right there, right there. See how it kicked out right there? Just a precaution. We're gonna test this trade out for a little bit. Nothing too serious. Now we did have a quick 30% gain on there. This is why you guys want to always take profits. As we move forward, you're going to see me take those profits as we move forward, just because it goes both directions very quickly. If you're a high volume profile, so what we're going to do today is high leverage, guys. So high leverage is just, you know, anything above 60 to 80% is our high leverage, and we're going to take profit right away. Now, do I think this is going to continue moving? I do. But we need to kind of take profits all the way up. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sit on this 1 minute here. I'm going to re-enter this trade once this 1 minute resets. So we're just going to be patient here. Now, as long as everything else stays the same, as far as the long, but look at this RSI drop. That's the problem there. So once we get to a green moon here, we can go back in. We're going to wait this out on AP. All right, so now what we're going to do here, man, just waiting for some positive moves here. All right, let's focus here. I'm trying to answer some Discord stuff too here. Need to stay very focused on this trade. As soon as we get a green moon and some positive volume here, right? All right, here we go. Now, the reason why here, Waiting on RSI to reset. 1 hour. All right, so we're gonna wait on this RSI here. So the RSI for Aptos has to come all the way down. We're gonna reset here, and that's gonna give us our entry price. Once this RSI resets, then we're gonna get a green moon in here, and that's gonna be our trade. So we're gonna leave that there for now. Because it's looking to move here. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on. All right, so right there, guys, we've seen a nice little pull point, the 1004. So this is where we're looking at right now, guys. So yeah, we're starting to get a pump here. We need a green moon here. Looks like we're getting a little bit of action here. Aptos is going to run. APT is going to run. We're just waiting for the green moon to capture here. APT's our trade. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We're digging here. APT. APT, man. Anybody else see anything good out there? All right, we're in an APT trade here, man. We're pretty set up. We're going to run this out. Yo, Joe, what up, man? Hey, VC, going through step by step in Discord. Great advice, great teach. Thanks, bro. Thanks. You know, we try to get this down where we get everybody up. VC, what up, Bread Boy? What up, big dog? Bread Boy's been killing it, man. You got to share some of them trades. Yo, Bread Boy, you got to post your trades, man, when you're about to trade. As soon as you get in the trade, let me know, bro, so we can review. All right, APT we're tracking right now. We're going to get a green moon here with the green trend on the 1 hour, which is going to be very nice. This coincides with the 2 hour green moon with the 1 hour green trend, which we just took advantage of here. The RSIs are bottomed out. So it does look like we have a lot of room here to grow. And the 4 hour has the green moon and its bottomed RSI. This is a solid trade right here. This Aptos is going to pump. This is going to be a nice little move here. So everything. Shondell. What up, Shondell? Welcome in, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. We're in this APT trade right now. We're long in APT here, guys. We're going to take a look at APT. We're going to try to run this up real quick. We're going to hodl in this little joint for a second here. We're just waiting for these green moons to hit. That's what we're waiting for right here, guys. Just some green moon action on the 1 hour. MIM official. I gotta get with you on the long and shorts. I got you, bro. Are you in the Discord, big dog? MIM. Are you in the Discord? Let's see what the 30 is saying here on this trade here. Now the 30 says we're already green. It's already in. This looks really good. The RSI is almost topping here, which is okay because it can run a while on a short. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. Yo, Mick 100, Mickey 100, what up, baby boy? All right, here we go. We have a green moon here. It took us here. Here's our trend. So this is where we really wanted to get in with all those positives already happening. What I mean by positive, let's go back here and take a look. So first of all, you go to the 4 hour, right? What do you have on the 4 hour? Let's take a look at the 4 hour. What do you mean, VC? How do I know what's going to happen with a coin, VC? Let me show you. If you're in the academy, it's very easy to do. Here's my 4 hour moon. I get an alert. And go watch the video on how to set alerts for the moon. Now I'm going to put this moon here. And I'm going to move to the next candle just so that we know that it's always like, you know, just in case there's a lag or something like that. That's going to let us know right there what's going on. And you can see right here in the RSI, I'm going to put these two here, and that's going to be when the 4-hour moon actually went green. When that happens, you rotate to the 2-hour. The 2-hour you can see is already, I'll call you on it later. I got to get with you on the... I got you, bro. Are you in the Discord, big dog? MIM, are you in the Discord? All right, so right here, we can see right here, the 2-hour green moon came in. It is right on our line, and the RSI is below the 60 line, so we have plenty of room to run here as well. So that's a nice move. Now let's move to the 1-hour to see what we have. Okay, so right here, guys, on the 1-hour, what do we have? We take a look and we notice that the 1-hour RSI is getting to overbought. We're going to let that reset, and we let that reset. Now this is the only thing, this is the only bad thing showing for us right here is this 1-hour reset. Now, could we have made money right here when everything turned? Yes, we actually did make money on this little push, but there's always a second or a pullback trade, and that's what we're getting into. First trade, we made money from the instant alerts, and then we get out and we wait until it all the way resets. And then what do we have as it starts to reset? The RSI comes all the way down on the 1-hour and resets at the bottom here. We get a red moon, we get a red trend, and now we're waiting for that to reset. And this is where the 1-hour starts to reset. So now that we have our reset on our 1-hour, which is going to be right here, now we start looking for the 15-minute and to get into a trade. Now see this right here, this 1-hour, I'm going to turn this blue or yellow, I'm going to make it white just so you know. Now, what's a good color? Let's make it blue just so we can go back. Now when the 1-hour resets and we realize it's starting to break back up, we now slide back to our 4-hour to make sure it's all lining up. As we can see here, the 4-hour is starting to break through and cross again on the RSI, meaning that yes, it's agreeing with the 1-hour that we are in a positive move here, which is great. As you can see right here, it's starting to break through. Now we move to the 2-hour to see how much RSI we have. 2 hours also starting to break through at the bottom, and we're below the 30 line. This is all great. The 1-hour once again is starting to bounce, and now we go to the 15-minute to find out where we're going to trade. We would be at this moment right here. Now we take a look at the 15-minute RSI. We have a green moon, right? We're coming across, not a green trend yet. Green moon, no green trend. The RSI is coming down at this moment. So what would we do at this time? We would wait for this RSI to bounce right here, which it does. And as soon as it crosses on the 15-minute, now that everything else is still lined up, ready to go, now that it crosses right here, let's turn this a green color. Actually, a color that we can see. Let's make it purple. Right there, when it crosses, we look up, and what we're looking for right here is green moon, green trend. And let's see what we get here. Boom, 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 boom. Now, most of the time, as soon as RSI bends up and crosses, you can enter right here. You can jump the gun, and that's basically where I would normally enter on this. Or you can be a patient trader. You can let this come up, the smart traders, let it come down. And as soon as you see this green trend, there's your entry. This is our entry point right here for this trade. And that is how easy it is to get in the right trade at the right time by following the system, guys. That is how you get in the right trade at the right time, by following the system. This is why we have the system. This is why we have the academy, guys. That easy. And now all we have is to look at where this is going to go. Now, unfortunately, right now we have what's called the moving 200 average right here, right? Which is always hard to break on the 15-minute. I go over this 100 different times. The moving average on the 200 is very hard to break and is very hard to deal with, right? So at that level, guys, when you get to that level right there, that's where you have to say to yourself, man, this is a tough time to really get in there. And that's what I'm talking about. Now, it's going to fight that level 1, 2, and normally on the third time, we're either going to break through here on the second, or if we reject the third time, I expect Optos to short after that moment, because all the RSIs will have run its course. But if you're following the academy, this is where you would have entered on this coin right here. And let's take a quick look to see if we would have hit this position. You know, we're not even going to enter on, this is where you should have entered here on this right here. But let's say you waited, right? Let's say you waited. And a lot of times if you waited for this green trend to hit, right? Your RSI is at the top here. A lot of you guys have been taught to hold back. And this is kind of like, you know, what you're doing is always letting resets happen, right? Now, if you let the 15-minute reset, you would have waited all the way to this moment. Now, the RSI is here. We have a green trend with a green positive volume. That you can enter, right? Green trend, green moon, green trend, positive volume. Enter the trade. You enter at the bottom of this coin. Easy 1% gain, which means you would have made your 50% or 100%. If you would have waited for the RSI to reset and bounce, and right here it recrossed, and you entered here, you would be in the new trade. It's okay to miss a trade to be more safe. And this current trade right here has got you going at 2% right now. So you're 2.2%. So that would be an easy 100% gain you guys actually would have made right there. And that's where we're at right now. So if you take a look right now, our current trade, we jump over here. This is the current trade that we're in right now. We're up 15%, 13%. We're just riding this out because it's still going to break out. And now we're looking for it to, you know, fight this little moving average here, right? So you would have got in this trade here. So you would let the 15-minute come down and you would have got in right here. Either one of these trades would have been right. Even though this 15-minute RSI is at the top, every other RSI is still at the bottom, meaning that RSI 15 minutes can go sideways as long as you have positive volume, which we did. Trend and volume, you jump on this trade, you take the 1% right there. If you miss that trade and you want to be more cautious, wait for the RSI to reset. There's always a second trade. That happened here, and now you have another 2% gain or easy 1% gain, and you'd be up anyways. So either way, you would have got your trade on the APT. Remember, the goal is to have $1,000, do a 50 to 80x. That right there would have been a 50% gain, which means you made $500 today. That easy, guy. Follow it, right? So the thing is that you guys have to learn patience first. You guys are spending all your money right now trading, and you're losing money, like, you know, hundreds of dollars that you should be only trading $5. Until you can make $5 into 100, you shouldn't be trading more than that, because you have to, you know, build up your bank, right? That's really what it is. So right here, we're kind of going back and forth on this trade. You know, we had our 13, 12% gains. We could probably we're going to start taking profits on that moving forward, because notice how we're going from 13 down 13. What that really means, if I would take my profits at that 20% mark that we hit, I could have sold, and right now I could be rebuying at this negative 20% mark, right? Which would basically give me a 40% gain. But right now we're kind of in TikTok educational set, and so I'm not executing properly. But you guys should be taking those 20% gains and then letting it fall back down 20%, buying in, because at that point you buy again, you're already up 40%, right? So I don't know what to tell you. 40% of 1,000 is what? $400, right? Follow the damn system. All right, right now I'm just going to stay in here. This is my second rejection here. If I get rejected here again, I'm going to start looking to short this, because the 15-minute RSI is running high here. So we're getting to the point here where we're not going to see too many more pushes, right? And I'm going to slide down to the 5-minute to kind of see where I'm at overall, and I'm coming down here already. Now, if this was further down in this zone here, it'd be even better, because that means the fall is almost over. That's kind of what we're waiting on. We're waiting for the 5-minute to reset and bounce. So I'm going to watch the 1 minute here to see, you know, where we're at in the 5-minute section. The 1 minute's already towards the bottom here, so we should be bouncing up, looking real good. So I'm not too worried. If the 1 minute was way up here, if the 1 minute was still way up here, then we'd have a lot more ways to go down, and I'd be more worried. But like I said, we're still waiting on this green moon. When this green moon on the 1 minute happens, that's the entry that we really want to be in right there. Remember, I said it earlier in the beginning of this live, when this moon becomes green, we want to enter. And this is why all these pullbacks happen until this goes green. These indicators are money. Follow the damn indicators. Right now, you're going to see me being a little bit off on these trades because I'm reading Discord, I'm checking TikTok, I'm also jumping back and forth on emails. So I'm going to be a little bit off here. I don't like trading. That's why I don't trade with my main accounts when I'm on here. I just trade with little bits of money just because it's safer for me. I can't do $10,000 trades live on TikTok. I'll lose thousands of dollars. But for you guys, man, take your profits. Make sure you're in there, making sure you're taking advantage of that. I'm waiting for a green moon here. I mean, Aptos could be running out of steam here, right here. We could be going into a short, right? That's why once you make this trade, we made the money on this first trade. Now it's fighting to become another trade. It can go either direction. We could be looking at a short here, right? So for instance, right here, it's dropping on me. Let me jump over here and get myself into a safe position here. I'm going to set a stop loss here. I'm willing to take a little bit of a loss here just because we made so much money earlier. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, so this is actually becoming a short here, guys. So notice right here, we're looking for a short. We can't get our 1 minute to go in. The longer it fights, there's our 1 minute trend right there. Aptos is starting to become, is choosing to be violent versus anything else. We couldn't get our green moon in there. Let's rotate here. Let me rotate into a little bit of a short position. And let me start setting up for short positions here. All right, so now Aptos was unable to break. Now, a lot of things that you guys will always hear me talk about, the longer it takes to break or the longer it takes to go long, then the majority of the time we're going to get a short out of here, right? So let's slide over here to the 3 minute and see where we're at as far as the 3 minute. We're red now on the 3 minute. We're topping out here. The RSI is coming down. Five minute here. Looks like the 5 minute wants to give up here as well. And the RSI has a lot of room to jump. So here, APT. Dropping for better entry when we get the 1 hour green moon. This is why being patient, guys, just waiting for the trades to actually, confirm in what we are. Hit the like buttons, guys. Remember, trades go both ways, up and down, right? If something isn't going the way you think it is, don't keep willing it, right? Don't fall in love with like a long, right? Say to yourself, all right, man, if you don't want to go long, what are you going to do, right? And this right here could be just a real nice, a better positioning for being greedy, right? Being greedy, guys, is also getting yourself in a position where being greedy is like saying to myself, all right, I want to get a APT long, right? So on an APT long, what would be the best entry? The best entry would be right here, 1024. So, right? So yourself can say, all right, I want to get in at the top of this candle here, which would be a trend line, right? So here's a trend for APT right here. This is the trend, right? And you say, well, you know what? I'm going to go to the next line, which is right here. So you say to yourself, I'm going to enter APT when it gets to 1031. If it starts to fall and actually start to give away, get more greedy and say, I'm going to enter along when APT comes here, right? Start moving this down. So the actual entry for APT long is probably going to be 1026, somewhere off of this line. We're probably going to get a wick here, and then we're going to get a nice little continuation of a run. Because don't forget, overall, if we take a look on our 4 hour, the overall process of this coin right now is long. It just hasn't got to positive volume yet, right? So just be more greedy and ask for yourself to get a better position, right? That's what I mean by being greedy. Greedy means that you just don't enter a trade right away. You enter when it's so cheap that when it bounces, you make even more money, right? So this trade already gave me 30% twice and 100% earlier. The last two 30%, I didn't close the trades because I wasn't paying attention. But this is a very profitable trade. But overall, this trade is still heading up based on the 4 hour. It's still heading up based on the 2 hour. It's just resetting to a position to basically allow us to jump. Now let's take a look here. Right now, what we're waiting on is this 1 hour RSI to reset. Once this 1 hour resets, that's where we're going to be really focused in on getting in here, right? All right, so now what we're going to do here is we're going to see this 1 hour reset on this RSI, which will give us a better entry for a long, which, like I said, should be somewhere off of that moving average, like in this zone here. That's what we're looking to get down to, is about 1026. All right, so that's kind of what we're looking for, is a 1026 area. RSI on the 30 minutes oversold as well, so we need to let that bounce. Very has light volume on the upside here, so we're just going to ride this down for a little bit to give us a better positioning here. Yeah, notice here 1, 2, 3 we didn't break, so we would expect this to actually fail on this 4th time and get rejected and to come back down. And the 15-minute RSI is also on the things. So we're gonna wait this out. We're gonna watch this fall down, guys. Take our short. Get some water while we relax here, guys. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Just that short money. Let's hope this turns into a big short, man. Let's go. You see here, we already got back 16% of our 16 that we lost. So we're back to even. And now the difference is here is I'm actually going to set my stop losses to take these profits, because I don't want to give back my money. I want to stay making money. So let's put a stop loss here. We're going to go to 10, current price 34. We're going to go 10.34. Let's go 10.35. And that's going to give us a 13% gain, and we're going to take that. So we're going to take a 13% gain if it triggers out, just because we want to make our money back. 25% gains. There we go, guys. We're going to keep moving our stop loss here to get back the money that we lost earlier. Not that big of a deal. We took I think a $27 loss. We just made that back. Not a problem. We're probably going to make more on this trade here. But this is what I mean by being patient, guys. You know, we have to let it go in. Now, this rejection for me is pretty big, because normally on the keep this in mind, guys. 15-minute 200 moving average is really hard to break. It rejects a lot, right? So boom, 3 rejections, 1, 2, 3, and now we're shorting, right? So now we're going to expect this to basically come down here, and at least this RSI on the 15-minute has to rebound. So we're going to hold this trade until we can get this RSI to bounce up. And how we're going to do this is we're going to move to the 5-minute, so that we have 3 more candles than the 15-minute. So we have a future advance of 3 candles. So this 5-minute, until this 5-minute bounces, we're going to hold this short that we're in. And we're looking for 1026 is the selling point for us right here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. What do you like about that? Ooh, 28%, 39% gains, guys. That's how you make money. There you go. 45% gains. That's how you make money, guys. Now let's move this stop loss up here. If we have 45% gains, we're going to move this up here. Take a little bit more of our money. Let's take a little bit more of our money. We're going to set our stop loss. And you can see right here, very easy to see on stop losses, that actually calculates at the bottom. My stop loss at 10.325 is going to make me 38% profits, and that's what I want. I'm going to confirm there. And now I'm going to take my 38% profits if it jumps up any further, and that's what we're going to rock and roll. And we're going to keep going, guys. Now I'm locked in. I'm not too worried. I have 38% profits. Now I can ride this out and take advantage of the rest, man. Guys, if you want to join the academy, if you want to use the indicators that we're using, if you have any questions like that, please go check out the link in my bio. It's right on my face. I use very simple indicators, and I have a very simple system to make money. The reason why I trade live is just to show you guys. See this 5 minutes starting to bounce there? See right there, it's starting to bounce. This is where we're going to slide over here, and look at that. Our stop loss triggered. And let's go check out our position here. Order history. Position history. 32% on APT. That's a very nice quick quick grab of that. And now we're going to wait for this to reset itself up and get itself. It's moving towards a long position. Let me post this in our Discord. There we go. Now we made back that money that I lost earlier from not paying attention. But we back on track, boys. We're back on track. All right, guys, if you're not in the Discord, guys, listen, for a cup of coffee, guys, do you guys have $5 for a cup of coffee and you want to go and you want to hang out with a bunch of people that are teaching each other, working with each other, learning how to make money in crypto, sharing all the information that you need to know? Go to the link in my bio. Right underneath my followers, there's a website you can go to. When you click on that link, it's literally $5 a month to hang out with a bunch of people just like you, learning crypto, getting to know crypto, just got in crypto, been in crypto, work in crypto, know things about crypto, and then you can ask them about how they're doing it, how do they make money. This is our H-bar short. I talked about this morning the other day. I told you guys the short H-bar, 89%. This is our Doge short, 31%, 33%. We got a long on Ocean. We work with you guys. You know, if you have any questions or anything, we work. I make videos for you guys. Like I said, it's $5 to join the Discord, guys. Best community out there. Very simple, very easy to get in. We only charge $5 just to basically keep security moving, so we can make sure there are not a bunch of bots in there, scammers and stuff like that, guys. But literally a cup of coffee, guys. You can see how to set alerts for your moon trades. How to get your text messages. Top trades. These are top trades. We look for 2-hour green trends, 2-hour green moons. Yeah, man, just get in there, guys. 40% gains. I mean, this is what we're doing here. This is a live Discord, guys. Zombies, what's up, baby? Love zombies. Shout out to zombies, man. Working over there at Intelligence AI Coin. As always, giving good information, bringing everything in, guys, keeping it exciting for us, man. So right here, guys, like I said, a cup of coffee, $5 a month. Join the Discord, hang out with people, see what we're doing, take advantage of all that. Ask questions here. I do take the time to answer the questions for you guys. If you want to use any of the indicators that we're using, join the academy, guys, so you can get in there and take advantage of making money off this. As you can see here, this continues to fall. And what's the point that we're looking for? We're looking for it to touch this line right here. And we'll make this line white. Let's make it purple. It's too dark. Let's make it bright. You know what they need? They need some neon colors. There we go. We got a yellow. We got an orange. We got a Sharky. There we go. JP joined in. Hey, how you doing, JP? You getting a hold of it, man? I know you got in last week or something. Is it coming along for you yet, guys? Are you learning a little bit, watching those videos? We got new videos coming out. I just posted another video for you guys as we're moving forward, man. Big dog, what up, big dog? All right, we got some nice little trades. We did little trades there. Now we're just waiting for these reversals, guys. All right, big dog, let me see what I got here. VC, I got a question. So the 2-hour gives us a green moon, and the 1 hour gives us a green trend. Then the smaller time frames, like the 15 and 5, doesn't matter when the RSI or moon or trends are at that time for those, because the bigger time frames would dominate. Yes, to a point. Oh, we got a 5-minute red here. Aptos is getting serious here, guys. Aptos might be falling down. All right, we took that right there. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. We're going to cancel that out. Let's take a look at Aptos right here. Aptos is going down, boys. It's going down. What do we got? Hey, let's 310. Let's do a 37. Let me sneak in here with a 24% short. Let's see if we can make a little bit of cash here. Order history. Did it fall below that? Oh, we got in, boys. We got in. I'm not going to do too much. I'm going to do $60 for the hell of it. Let's see if we can ride this down to 1025, 1026. This is a continuation here. This doesn't really hurt us. This is profits that we already had earlier. Let's see where we're at with Aptos. I'm expecting Aptos to actually fight this and break up, but we're gonna see if we can red trend it down here. Woo! Hit back to back the other day with 100 and let's go, man. I mean, guys, just take those the system. Follow the system, guys. Follow the system. Stay focused on this. We actually might have a little jump here. So let me see the 1 minute here. Let me get focused here. I'm over here reading everything, getting excited. The 3 minutes at the bottom, that's not good for us. So, big dog, this is what I'm talking about right here. You always want to look at your RSIs because they're going to create jumps, right? The relative strength index. So, big dog, this is an example of why you want to wait here. The RSIs are bottom. We're seeing some pushes here. If this turns into a green moon, then it's stronger than it looks. If this rejects, then we're okay right here. Otherwise, we're going to have to go for an up move here. So let's say you're going in the short. You want the 1 minute RSI at the top heading down before you go into a short. Just like on the 3 minute, you also want it at the top heading down. These both are at the bottom heading up. So these are the opposite of the short that we want to do. So that is a tough call. And the 5 minutes at the bottom here. So we're probably in a bad pickle here. It's probably going to push up on us, and then that's where we're at. So we do have to let this reset here. Let's see the 15 minute. The 15 minute overall is heading down. But the 5, the 3 are still kind of moving in that direction. So we got to play this very carefully. Hopefully here the 5 minute has room to fall, which it does. And the 3 minute needs to stay on the ground, which it is. And the 1 minute needs to bend right away, which we hope it does. Yeah, Bitcoin's going to be going down to that 18,000 mark anyways. So we gotta have this pumped down. So we're gonna look at that 1027 mark for that profit area. I'm kind of in the middle of no man's land. I don't like where I'm at right here. I'm gonna take a $12, $13 loss here if we are in the wrong spot. I should reposition here, but we'll see. 1025. There we go. There we go. Keep giving up. Keep giving up. Keep bouncing. This 1 minute little green trend I don't like, but the RSI is coming down, so we're good. We need this to just the wick, man. Just the tip. 1027, boys. Let's go. 1027. And then we're going to be looking to just get into a long positions again right here. There we go. We're getting a little bit of ground here. See that 1 minute bending? I don't like that. I'm gonna move my stop losses here to a lesser amount of a loss. I have 1033 right now. I'm gonna rotate this to 1031, 9, and I'm gonna take that loss right there. It jumped past it already. Okay, we're gonna go 1021. Let's go 22. We'll give it a little bit of room there. A little bit of room. I'll lose $7. I'll take a $7 loss. This is how you work your losses down in case you're in a bad position here. You don't panic. You let the little pullbacks happen, and then we go from there. All right, we're still looking good. Come on, man. Come on, man. We got to follow the system here and get really focused. I'm kind of jumping in and out. Just because I'm live trading. But I want you guys to be more disciplined than I am. Be set, be focused. Don't make my mistakes. Learn from my mistakes, guys. Whew, beautiful day, beautiful time. Let's go, let's go. Giveaway. There we go. There we go. There we do what daddy wants, man. Do it. Do it. Here we go, guys. Pay the piper. Pay the piper, baby. Pay the piper. Pay the piper. 1 minute coming down like we want. Pay the piper, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now, I think this is the end of the short right here. It's probably going to end up popping up pretty soon here. Let's take a look here. We got a little bit of here. We got 10% profits right there. Let's rotate this a little bit closer here. Moving my stop loss here to 1031. 29. What is that? 16%. We'll take 11%. I'm happy with 11%, guys. We're at 15% right now. I'll take 11. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Drop that down. Drop down. Drop down. 19%. That's what we want to see, guys. Don't give up hope, guys. Don't give up hope. Changing my stop loss here. Taking my 19, 20%. There we go. 16% gains right here, guys. We're stuck on 16%. There we go. There we go. 24%, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What we got here? What we say? We're 27. There's our 27. We're going to dip in here. We're going to take our 27.3. There we go. That's what we asked for. It fell below it even further. We're going to take our 27. What I say, guys? 1027. What I say? What I say? What I say? What I say? What I say, guys? What did he say, guys? What did he say? Who's better? Who's better? Look at that, guys. There's no one better, man. Welcome to the Academy, guys. Your boy VC Crypto Nation. Told you, man. And just like that, you see it bounce off that line. Who's better? I don't know. I've been here 2.5 years. I told everyone to trade against me, and they all came and got their ass whooped, and they no longer trade live with me because they can't fuck with the margin king. And now I got a system built for anybody brand new to crypto, doesn't have to know shit. You don't have to do all the BS, liquidation numbers, liquidation candles, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. You don't have to do that shit. You just follow the system and you crank out wins. Look at this win, man. Red trend right here. See this red trend? 1 minute red trend. You hold that all the way until it actually goes into a green moon. This is still gonna fall here, guys. This is gonna fall until we get a green moon. That's how low we're going. Yeah, we can't get out of this, but we would close this trade on a green moon, and then we would start moving in a different direction. So to me, this looks like a serious fall here. Looking at everything else, I'm going to actually get into Aptos, and this is where I'm going to be looking to actually get into a long here, because I feel like this might be a pretty good spot here to go long. I'm going to do about 45%. I'm going to open a long here. Now let's see how we do. I'm looking for a green moon here, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going to play this off here. I'm going to play the 200 moving average here. I need a green moon right here to really be in a good position. It's got to fight through here, guys. Let's go. Let's go. RSI, we need you to bounce. Let me check my 5-minute RSI, my 3-minute RSI. My 3 minutes on the bottom trying to bounce up. That looks good. My 5 minutes starting to bottom out. That looks really good. Timing is everything, guys. Timing is everything. We need a green moon here. Come on, green moon. Come on, green moon. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me now, boys. I want to see a big run here. Come on, man. Come on, man. Fair value gap. Fair value gap. Let's go. Let's go. Green moon. Green moon. Come on. We need to go long here. Green moon. How's our 1 hour looking, guys? Remember, the trades always come off the 1 hour. Safest trades here. Let's look at some trades here, guys. 1 hour still bending, which means, you know, it's still going sideways. I would like for this 1 hour to reset before I get into a long, which I should wait for. Let's take a look at the 2 hour here. 2 hours still heading up. We look good on all fronts here, guys. That 1 hour is the one that we're waiting for to confirm some trades. And we need this 1 hour to get active right here. We need some buyers to step in. We need bigger volume here, guys. Come on now. Come on now. We need this to Need a green moon here. This green moon on the 1 hour, guys, we're going to go ham on this green hour. As soon as we see it, we're going to go ham, guys. That's what we're waiting for right there. That's the trade, right? To see where we're at, let's move to the 30-minute, see if we're getting any type of action. Still a little bit of a pullback here, guys. Be patient. Be patient. You haven't missed the trade yet. Stay focused. Follow the rules of the system. What do we have right here? 15 minutes. Is that a red moon? No, we're green moon, right? We're waiting for this bounce. No, more than likely, when you see these buyers, the buyers and sellers normally clash. As soon as this clashes, we're going to get a push up here on the 15-minute, which is going to be nice. We're going to bounce here and bounce, and the 15-minute RSI needs to reset. But at the end of that, I feel like we're going to break through finally for the day. And we need to get up in these levels here, but we're going to see how it goes right now. Take a look at the 4 hour just to see the overall. We're still headed up. Plenty of room here. We're looking strong. Everything looks strong here. Oof, I'm excited. I'm excited for the bounce right here. Come on now. Come on. Bounce. Give me some room here. Give me some room. Give me some space to breathe here. Give me a little room here. Give me a little breathing room here, guys. All right. Give me a little breathing room here. Come on now. Be nice. Be nice. Yeah, keep fighting up. Come on, man. We need the opposite, man. We need the RSI going down. We need the price going up. All right, you know what? Let me set my stop loss here because I'm getting gains here. It's looking good. You know, here we go. Let's slide over here. VC jumped the gun like he always does because he's a reckless ass trader. But I'm up 35% because I'm reckless. $32, guys, on this reckless ass trade because I'm reckless. Don't follow me. Follow my system, guys. The system is made to teach you guys to be way more patient than I am because I am not. I'm just kidding. I'm very patient. I'm just so locked into my trades. And a lot of times I jump ahead of time. I'm going to set this at 29%. I'm going to ride this 29% here. Do I take that? I'll take it. I don't even care. I'll take that 20 bucks. Come on, $31. Come on, bounce up. Bounce up. I know you're going to bounce up. I should be... yeah. Okay, I'll take that. That's a quick 30. Now I'm going to be patient. That's kind of like I'm playing the bounce. I played the bounce. I made my money right there. Quick 30 bucks. But now I'm going to sit back and I'm going to do my system, which is very simple, patiently waiting. All right, guys, wait patiently. All right, and what we're looking for is a bounce off of this 15-minute. We need the 15-minute RSI to come up and bounce. That's my problem, big bro. You know, big dog. Okay, I'm a bad example. But that's why I have the system. The system is basically the better part of me, right? It's the patient side of me. And if you follow the system always wins, right? Now, I jump the gun here and there, which I need to stop doing because it's like, it's just, you know, I don't get to trade as much as I want, especially when I'm live. I feel like I got to get ahead because I'm not going to be paying attention. But moving forward, I'm going to be way more aggressive as far as like trading on the Academy rules. All right, and that's really what I'm at right now. So let's take a look here. How are we doing on this? Okay. We started with 100 today. We're at 274, so I can't complain. So nice little move. We almost doubled our bag so far today, and we're just getting started. So right here, let's wait. Let's do the Academy system, which is basically waiting for the RSI to reset. And the only reason I'm doing these extra trades is because the earlier trades I've already taken profits on the green moon in here, and then I re-entered here and took profits. But now I need to wait for this resetting of this here, which would be the 15-minute, which is my third proper trade. Let's go, big dog. APT short. I like it, man. I like it. That's 100%. Nothing but love, big dog. Stay patient, though. We're going to wait, and we're going to get this long right here, man. Evening, man. Pops, bops. That's what I needed you to do, Pops. I needed you to pop up with that, bro. All right, guys. We're going to wait for this patiently like we're supposed to inside of the Academy, which is the RSI reset, and then once that resets or bounces here, a lot of times that RSI is going to bounce up when the buyers and the sellers meet and they make a decision if they're going to go up or go down. And that's going to happen right here on the 15-minute cash buy. That's what we're waiting for, guys.